to do a matching test a minute ago, but I don't know how to find it.
Chat, habt ihr irgendwas? Bro, das ist ein,
Just names?
It's just names.
So just let's put the name. Let's see. Yo, that's not bad.
That's not bad.
That's not bad. That's purely not
bad.
Yeah. What's this? Can you translate it?
How long we know each other. Till...
Since I know. Next one, the second one. We don't know each other since kindergarten.
You know kindergarten?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, that like, yeah, I guess this one, it's like
couple of days.
Yeah, couple weeks.
Couple weeks, okay. That's not promising.
Okay.
What is this? What is this? Hugo, translate it.
It's like
like what?
I guess the test is not. It's yeah, it's like
just
bro. It's like
translate.
It's like you know. It's like how long we are together, you know.
And what are the answers?
Yeah, it's nothing with no, you know. It's like one month, under a year, a half of the year, 1 week.
1 week. Put the 1 week.
Okay.
We have no other choice. What is this?
How good we know each other.
Oh, we can do a test how good we know each other, like the favorite color and shit like that.
Okay. What is my favorite food?
What is your favorite food? Like as a dessert or just what you like to eat?
My favorite food to eat. My favorite dish.
McDonald's?
No.
Okay.
Yours is spaghetti.
Oh, how did you know?
That's right.
Yeah. Sigma.
Ah, you told today that the...
And what is your favorite dish?
Burger or...
So fucking McDonald's then.
No, yeah. Burger or Schnitzel.
Okay.
Or Döner.
Döner kebab.
Yeah.
That's sweet. What does it say?
Then it's how good we know each other.
Okay, that's true.
What's my favorite color?
Blue?
No.
Okay. Can I have another hint? Hold on. The favorite color.
Look around. Don't look, chat. No.
Red?
Yeah, it's red.
You have nothing red. You're the only bottle in here that is fucking red. How would I know?
Yeah.
Okay. What is my favorite color? I don't think they know.
Yeah. Ich hätte gesagt lila, aber ich weiß nicht, wie man das auf Englisch sagt. Wie sagt man lila auf Englisch? Purple? Okay.
I like dip green. I like that.
Dip green?
Royal green.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
but
my favorite.
they were right.
Yeah, they said right.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
So what are the answers? Now we know pretty well each other. We know each other pretty well.
I know all the beautiful sides of him, but also his...
I know your bad sides. I've seen them.
Also his...
The crash outs, the always like, you know, puking, then this sign that you did, and then...
Whoa. Which sign? Which sign, bro? What the fuck? What the fuck?
The girl with the hair that she was doing something to you.
Oh my god.
And then yes, and then what she did with the bear, and then I know your dark sides, and you know mine too.
Yeah.
So we know each other. Like
intros
easy.
For Pornhub.
Yep. Yes.
You put your nails in a jar.
That's not that bad, but okay. We know each other fantastically. Put this one.
Okay.
You think it's fair? Which one is more fair?
I guess this one.
What it says?
You know so much. Wait, I guess I can just translate it here. Here. You read it?
What does it say?
That's the website, yeah. Just to translate the... here.
As much as others know. Yeah. That makes sense.
Alright.
What does this say?
How much... I just translated.
What do you mean how many friends?
I guess friends, you know?
0. Or have you been honest? 0.
But...
like you mean relationships before?
Yeah.
Hugo.
What?
Put 0. Put 1, 2.
Okay, 1, 2 is good. Yeah.
That's next one. It was this question.
Oh, okay, but okay, was that your answer or
my answer?
Because now it's
your answer.
Yeah.
You answer.
Why I have no 1, 2? why I have 1, 3, 4, 0?
What is this vape-ish?
I don't know. It says I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah.
1, 3.
1, 3.
Okay.
It's 1, 2, but.
What's it says next?
How much we see each other.
Like is there like once a month? Wait, we saw each other twice a month.
It's like this one.
What it says? From time to time. Yeah. From time to time. That's next.
What we do when we see each other.
What it says? Romantische Filme schauen.
It's romantic movies.
We cook together. We cook.
But it's not a romantic movie.
But we don't watch romantic movies. We cook.
Wait, wo?
Is there?
No.
Okay.
That's also a good answer.
Always yes.
Yeah.
Always the different thing. Yes.
Okay.
What it is?
I translated.
Oh. What it means? Walkie 7.
It's like Cloud 7.
And what's the next?
That's quite nice.
Okay.
I'm the happiest man, human alive. Happier than my other relationship. My friend is... Wait.
What?
My friend is quite nice. That are so shitty ass.
Let's put the last one.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. That is a kind of like to test already for people who are kind of doing something already.
Yeah.
That's not the same.
Yeah, that's not. It's a relationship test.
Why are we doing relationship tests? We need a match test to see if we match.
Bro, wo übersetzt? Hier.
What? This makes no sense. Because I don't really speak in Deutsch.
Yeah. I translated now.
Bro, okay, it's okay. That test doesn't make sense.
No, it makes not sense.
Yeah, I thought it's going to be the test, like, you say like, okay, like what color are you like, or like how often are you at home?
Yeah.
And then you just answer these, and then
you know the
We
Party game.
A what?
We Party?
No, what is this?
Okay. No, it was exactly that what you explaining.
Yeah, because that makes more sense than this test that we're making.
Chat, das wird nix. Oh, my stomach hurts right now.
Mine too.
Yeah.
Can you show me this game and I'll leave? I really want to see that game.
It's a very sassy game.
Oh, can you show that on stream?
Yeah, I played it on stream.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Try to help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You are a man and yeah.
Okay, and then you do what?
Then you go story and then you...
You pick the woman?
No. It's all chapters one woman.
What is happening on the last chapter?
Nothing.
Nothing?
No, nothing.
Okay, and
it's
what
just
do you have
you
to
fell
do?
in love and then it's over.
Oh, okay, can you show me like what it looks like? Like just open one thing.
Okay, but it's just it's a clip and then you have to make a decision.
너무 잘 잤다. 오늘따라 왜 이렇게 개운하지? 11시? 오늘 면접 이력서도 뽑고 가야 되는데.
Okay, and where is the flirt with the woman?
정장은 여기 있고.
Yeah, it's like a story.
넥타이가 어디 갔지?
Can you skip it?
Yeah. You want the flirty part?
Yes.
Maybe I know where it is.
다 왔다.
나 먼저 나가 있을게.
네.
What? 5 women.
Yeah.
Why do they slip?
They live all together and now you can pick one. What you want?
One? I can pick?
Yeah, you can pick Malsuk, ONB, Minyoung, Songyi.
I like this one.
완전 곤이 잠들었네.
What?
Yeah,
Wake up or pinch?
You can also kiss their cheek.
야, 구말숙. 일어나봐. 진짜 자? 깼어?
나 혹시 잠꼬대 같은 거 안 했지?
잠꼬대?
막 누구 이름 부른다거나.
What the fuck?
누구?
You want to see it?
아니야.
So funny.
바다 도착한 거지?
도착했어.
And then?
와, 바다다.
유만 오빠.
응?
What? How many? That's crazy.
와, 관심 없는 척하다니 엄청 보네. 어떤 수영복이 너 스타일인데?
Whoa.
나는
Yeah, what? Now you must say which Which bikini is better?
Okay, which one? Which one do you like?
You play.
But if you would play, which would you pick?
난 동과장님.
The second.
오유만 씨 이런 스타일 좋아하는구나? 알았어.
예? 아니
Bro.
취향이라기보다는 뭔가
This is a
신기해서.
very cool
신기해? 뭐가
You want to
그렇게
play-
신기한데?
game. What?
No.
Wait. She doesn't want. That is a crazy game. Is it where on Steam?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get that game. Do they have the same but with males?
I guess.
Do you guess? I hope
Child?
so. Nice. What does it say?
Firma. It's
Yeah.
like company.
What it means?
The word firma is company.
Company. Wanna play tomorrow? Look it up. Yes. Very nice. Very. And what is it? Company. What is it?
Yeah, it's like in German. It's like Firma an die Wand. Company drives in the wall. Like, but I don't know why they tell them. It's like when I do something, it's like toss or maybe I get cancelled. They say Firma.
Ah.
Firma an der Wand.
Ah.
Crash the company. But it's like German.
Okay.
Yeah.